Deep inelastic collisions. Stretch an elastic band between your fingers and roll a marble at it. The marble rebounds with the same speed. This is an elastic collision. Collision is how to say collision. The speed is the same before and after the collision. So the kinetic energy is the same. Ke equals a half mv squared. The kinetic energy is conserved. It's the same. Conserved means the same. When a marble is dropped on a carpet, all the kinetic energy becomes sound and heat energy. An alpha particle is positively charged, so it is an atom's nucleus. The alpha is repelled. This is also an elastic collision. The kinetic energy before the elastic collision equals the kinetic energy after. Bit of editing. Kinetic energy is 100% conserved in elastic collisions. Conserved means stays the same. Kinetic energy is not conserved during inelastic collisions. Kinetic energy is changed into heat and sound in inelastic collisions. Energy cannot be made or lost. This is called the conservation of energy. Energy is also conserved except when mass is turned into energy. Energy is always conserved, Mass is turned into energy using E equals mc squared. In an atomic bomb, atomic power station, a star or a radioactive isotope. E equals mc squared is energy equals mass times speed of light squared. Speed of light 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. Okay, elastic collisions. The positive alpha gets close to but doesn't hit the nucleus. Alpha particle, elastic collisions, protons and neutrons. N's for neutrons, P's for protons. A deep inelastic collision. This means that the energy is changed from kinetic energy into other forms of energy, heat and stuff. A neutron, neutrons have no charge, so neutrons can hit the nucleus. The neutron hits the nucleus, makes it unstable, splits it apart. 3 neutrons, 2 neutrons, 1 neutron, get out. Most books say 3 neutrons because then you can see how it would make more and more splittings of atoms every second. A neutron, that's how neutrons got their name, crashes into an atom's nucleus and breaks the nucleus apart. Nucleus means the bit in the middle. Whether it's a cell or an atom or whatever, nucleus always means the bit in the middle. The kinetic energy of the particle helps breaks the nucleus apart. This is called a deep inelastic collision. Deep into the nucleus, inelastic, kinetic energy is not conserved. The products of collision have less mass. Yes, because some of their mass is turned into energy. E equals mc squared. The lost mass becomes energy equals mc squared. The energy is kinetic energy of the particle produced that then collide, making heat energy. This is how atomic power stations and atomic bombs work. Kinetic energy is conserved in an elastic collision. Energy is conserved means the energy before equals energy afterwards. Yeah. Only equals mc squared can make energy from mass. C equals the speed of light. Yeah, speed of light, X-rays, they all move at the same speed. Ultraviolet rays, gamma rays. Movement energy is called kinetic energy. There are 2 positive protons in an alpha particle. There are 92 positive protons and over 100 neutral neutrons in every uranium nucleus. Cool! Press like, press subscribe. There's my card. If your mum or your dad wants me to help with your GCSEs, IBs, HSCs or SATs, they should get in contact with me. Good luck, Gary, hk@gmail.com. I'm working in the schools in the day, and if you want home lessons, you have to live in mid-levels in Hong Kong. Otherwise, I do Skype lessons. Bye!